Okay, so we are going to be finding the midpoint today. The midpoint formula is point 1 is x1, y1, and point 2 is x2, y2. The actual formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So you would write your midpoint as xy. The first midpoint we're going to find is between the points 1, 8 and 9, 6. So the very first thing I need to do, I need to label my midpoint, or label my ordered pairs. So I have x1, y1, x2, y2. I'm going to write my formula just so that I can remember it. x1 plus x2 over 2, y2 plus y1 over 2. So I have x1 is 1 plus x2 is 9 divided by 2. y1 is 8 plus y2 is 6 divided by 2. So then I'm going to have 10 divided by 2 and 14 divided by 2, which gives me 5, 7 as my midpoints. So my midpoint equals 5, 7. All right, so my point 2, -4, and D is 6, 2. So again, x1, y1, x2, y2. So I have midpoint equals x1 plus x2, so 2 plus 6 divided by 2. y1 is -4 plus y2 is 2 divided by 2. That gives me 8 divided by 2, and -4 plus 2 is -2 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. -2 divided by 2 is -1. So my midpoint equals 4, -1. Okay, so this problem, I would recommend you go ahead and pause the video and do the problem on your own. That way you can compare to make sure you are completely understanding the concept. Now that you have done the problem, let's take a look. I have point E, which is -10, -9, point F, which is 4, -3. I'm going to label x1, y1, x2, y2. And then I just need to plug them into the formula. x1 is -10 plus x2 is 4 divided by 2. Then I have -9 plus -3 divided by 2. -10 plus 4 is -6 divided by 2. -9 plus -3 is -12 divided by 2. -6 divided by 2 is -3. -12 divided by 2 is -6. So my midpoint is -3, -6. Hope you understand midpoint a little bit more now.